Hi, um, my name is Elizabeth Ann Smith, and I am an affiliate marketer. Now, I started in 2009 looking at affiliate marketing because I knew I had sold a brick and mortar business, and I knew that I didn't have enough money to keep me going and to fulfill my lifestyle needs. So I started looking at affiliate marketing, and the first um, place that I joined, the first courses that I joined, I actually made money. I thought, oh, this is really easy. But then I got shiny object syndrome, which is a well-known syndrome for people who are trying to learn how to market on the internet. And basically what it is there's so many offers out there that promise you so much that you go from one offer to the next and you start throwing money at it rather than um, sticking with a program. So it's been a bit of a struggle. Um, I have learned a lot, and over the years, I have learned that I do not like building websites, so that is not a career choice for me. Um, it's very technical to work on the internet, but there are shortcuts and there are things that you can learn. And once you get them, it's very easy. So now I'm at a point where I'm actually making money and I have put it all together, basically. I've got all the pieces, they're all functioning, they're all working. It's just a matter of time now while I build my email list and my audience. And one of the reasons I want to learn how to market on YouTube better, even though I've already got 150 videos on my channel, is I want to be more successful. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is that I have seen it all, done it all. It feels like I've done all that, but I do have some skills that I can help with. And my mission now is to try to help people avoid shiny object syndrome and to help them by coaching them and offering tips and tricks on how to make money online. And the biggest thing that I can say, like my bumper sticker, is never give up. Learn, 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 and never give up. And stick with it because it does work. And there are lots of people making money, and you can be one of those people too. And if you can make $100, you can make $1,000,000, basically. It's the same principle. So that's my story, and that's what I'm doing, and that's what my channel is all about. Thanks for listening, and you can subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about. Thanks for listening. Talk to you later.